everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I took two glass lamps that I purchased from the thrift store about 2 or 3 years ago. Total was $6.99 a piece. And I turned them into glass candle holders. They were originally in my daughter's living room, and then I put them in my granddaughter's bedroom, and she ended up coloring the shades. So I just took the lamps and I brought them home. I also took the balls off of the lamps, and it's coming up. Now these are just inspiration photos, but coming up now is the picture of the lamp that I will be changing into candle holders. And again, the glass balls were used on a sconce, a wall sconce that I made my daughter. And that's what this is. The very bottom there is the ball that was on the lamp. And if you never watched this video of how I made these wall sconces, I will leave that in the description box below. So if you're interested in seeing how I put this all together, then just keep watching. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Now here is one that I put together, but coming up you'll see the other one that I hadn't assembled, which I'll be assembling here. Now here it is. This is part of the candle, the long piece. This is part of the candle, which I'm showing you. The long piece is, which is that, and then that piece, which is this. Now the top part is actually candle holders that I got from the thrift store, and they were like $2.99 a piece. So here I'm showing you how I put it together, and I'm using my glue gun. I'm only using my glue gun because I may want to take these apart because of some wall sconces that I saw that are very similar to this candle holder. So I'm just putting this together as a temporary thing. But if you see something that's close to this in the thrift store and you want it to be permanent, I would go ahead and use some E6000 or Fix-All that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I just love recreating these lighting fixtures, whether it's a candle or a lamp or a wall sconces. I like searching for inspiration for these high-end pieces and then finding something similar in the thrift store or even some Dollar Tree items and recreating them myself, especially since I found these bulbs online at Amazon that just needs to be charged up using a lamp. For instance, this video clip here is the same day that I recorded me making these two lamps into a candle holder. And I was going to do that with this until I saw a clip, this picture that's on the side of this sconce looked so close to this lamp. And I can't wait to share it with you all when I finally get it up. I'm just waiting to order some pieces to match the top of the wall sconce. So let's just get back to this video. Now here I just pulled the tea light candle holder off before the glue really dried hard because it wasn't centered. And that's the only reason why that it came apart. Now here they are, all completed, and I love the way they came out. Now the taller one, I ended up stacking 2 of the tea light candle holders. And I think I said earlier in the video that I got them from the thrift store for $2.99. They were actually $2, but I got them half off. So actually I got them $1 a piece. And then this candle holder dish with the top, I also made that. So if you're interested in how I created that, I will leave the link to that video in my description box below. Thank you again so much for stopping by. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs.
Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.